Friends, today we will discuss functions of operating system. Children, all you are familiar, operating system is very much important software. It controls the working of hardware, and without operating system we cannot use any application software on a computer. Children, it provides user interface. Through that we just communicate with computer. There are two types of interface it provides: text based interface and graphical user interface. In text based interface we use just keyboard to give the commands, and in graphical user interface we use mouse. We find icons are there, shortcuts are there. We can just open the programs with the help of mouse. We can just control the working of computer with the help of mouse. It also just take care of memory of computer when we are using the computer. It provides security to our data and programs. It allows us the facility of multiple tasks. We can perform more than one task at the same time, and it take care of input output devices we are using, storage devices we are using on computer. First, children, we will discuss about memory. Operating system manage the computer's main memory, that is also known as a random access memory. Children, whatever the program we use, whatever the file we open, we always work in the random access memory. And sometimes we open more than one program, as I told you, multitasking. In that case, operating system manage the computer's memory. It allocates the memory space, and after completion of our work it deallocates the memory. It also take care that how much space of memory used by which program. Suppose children, when we are just using computer, at that time we are just listening the music, we are just downloading some application software. The same time we are using the Microsoft Word. It means we are doing more than one task at a time. So this is a responsibility of an operating system to just allocate the memory to Microsoft Word, also to the program browser we are using to downloading the application software. Also, if we are using the antivirus to scan our computer system, to allocate the memory to that program also. So this is the responsibility of operating system to allocate the memory. Just take one more example. Suppose we have opened the Microsoft PowerPoint program. So operating system provide space to the PowerPoint program. After completion of our work in PowerPoint, it deallocates the memory from PowerPoint. Now children, after that if we are opening the Microsoft Word, then the operating system provide space to the Word program. So memory management is very much important work of operating system. Processor management. Children, we know that CPU, that is the brain of our computer, do all types of processing. Whatever the work we are doing on computer, it is managed by operating system but done by central processing unit. So in multi-programming environment, when we are doing more than one task, in that case operating system just provide the CPU time to each work we are doing, and also it decide how much time it will give to the each process or work. And children, this is also called the process scheduling. Suppose we are just, as I told you, we are using Word for typing, same time we are just downloading any program, and also we are using antivirus for scanning. In that case CPU time is allocated to each and every program in presence of operating system. And it also take care that what is the status of running program. Suppose we have just completed our work in Microsoft Word, so it deallocates the CPU time from the Word, and then it allocates the CPU processor to some other program we are using at that time. So allocation and deallocation of CPU to the different processes is the task of operating system. File management. We create the file in computer, we just save the file on hard disk, sometimes we copy the files on a pen drive, sometimes we just delete the files, we rename the file, we move the file from one folder to another folder, we download some application softwares, also we just make a copy of softwares on a drive. So managing the files of data and program is a work of operating system. It monitors where they are stored. We have stored on C drive, we have stored on D drive. Why? So whenever we want to open it, operating system just quickly open the file for us. Suppose we have saved one paintbrush file and we have saved one Microsoft Word file in the same folder with the same name. So operating system take care that which file has to be allocated. Suppose we want to just see the Word file. In that case, operating system children will not open the paintbrush file. It will open Word file for us. Also, when just we have closed the file, it is a responsibility of operating system to just ensure that our file has just closed properly. So, file management is completely the work of operating system.